Alright, I'm about ready to do the Red Trail Quarry Loop. I'm out here in Wausau, Wisconsin, on the top of Rib Mountain. Got a watchtower over here. I see something there. It's an awesome view. The hotel I'm staying at is right off in the distance over there, behind these trees. Alright, get on with my journey. You gotta watch your footing on this trail. Well, my goodness, this is kind of it's a little bit of a strenuous trail. You're doing a lot of it. At least the section I'm on right now is following this little trail here that cuts through some of the rocks, and my goodness. So it's a 2.11 mile loop, and there's about a 384 feet elevation gain. Some really interesting rock formations though. It's really cool. But yeah, most of the trail I've been following so far is just stuff like this. You gotta pay attention to where you're walking, but trails like this kind of bring it closer to nature, I think. Got a nice welcome breeze in the air. It's a pretty warm day today. There's a lot of pollen in the air too today. It's May 18th on a Saturday. Pretty windy trails. I think you gotta keep your head in a swivel. This section of the trail is just a little bit wider here. Coming across a lot of birch trees. It's really nice. All in all, I'd have to say that this is a rather enjoyable hike. So it is a little bit more on the strenuous side, but I personally enjoy a little bit of a challenging hike. It's not too difficult. It's definitely doable. Pay off with a lot of nice views and pretty in touch with nature. There's a large bee back there. Be careful. Oh, yeah, it's kind of exhausting, but I just like the lay of the trail. It has a nice feel to it. Alright, here we have a little map of where we are. Red Mountain State Park. The ski area here. But yeah, this is basically where I parked right here. Came around this way. This is about where I am, so it looks like I'm halfway. Seem to be going down in elevation quite a bit, which is nice. But I think I'm gonna have to end up going back up if I go down too much. One thing I could have brought, should have used, rather, I actually have some, but I just didn't use it, the insect repellent. Not horrible, but they are a little bit of a nuisance. Oh, that's a nice view. That's a beautiful view of that farm out there. Let's get a little closer view. There you go. Beautiful view. Imagine coming out here in the fall, it'd be even better. Well, it's a little bit cooler in this section here. I can't think of a better trail that I've hiked where it had such an interesting natural way of steps being cut into rocks. I mean, the rocks are already there. A lot of them are already flat. So it really makes the hike pretty fun. And there's some man-made steps in here, but a lot of it's all natural. There's all kinds of little nooks and crannies everywhere. Whew. Alright, looks like we're going to be going up for a little bit. Just an amazing amount of hawks and like owls or something flying up around through these trees here. There's so many of them. A minute ago there was like 5 or 6. It's really something. Alrighty. This is the way I came here. I had to stop and take a breather for a second. I'm trying to make pretty good time because it looks like it's maybe gonna rain or something here in a little bit, so gotta make some time, get back to the vehicle. I think I've been doing pretty good for a 2-mile hike. I'm on the back leg of the journey, so that's really pretty. Got some columbine growing out here. I have lots of this growing at home. One of my favorites. It's nice to spot that. So I would definitely recommend this hike to people, and those of us that are in fairly decent shape. And you got the mosquitoes and bugs out here to keep you honest. You don't want to loiter or stick around too long in one spot on the trail. The bugs will start getting to you. Oh, I almost missed this. It's pretty cool. It's like the number 3. And just kind of grinding my way up the hill and just stopped to take a breather, and I saw that. That's pretty cool. Onward. Nice view of the rock here. Alrighty, I'm at the end of the hike. Just got done completing the Red Quarry Loop out here at Rib Mountain State Park in Wausau, Wisconsin. It's a really enjoyable hike. Has some great views. A little bit of a challenging hike, but it's very rewarding. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, take care and rock on.